Outsourcing is a common business strategy where companies hire external parties to perform services that were traditionally done by internal employees. At its core, outsourcing is about delegating specific business functions to outside experts to save time or lower operating costs. Businesses often look to reduce costs by up to 70% by utilizing specialized vendors who can perform tasks more efficiently than in-house teams. Companies outsource to access global talent pools, focus on their main revenue-generating activities, and maintain the flexibility to scale as market conditions change. While often confused, outsourcing is about who does the work, whereas offshoring is about where that work is physically located. IT services remain the most commonly outsourced function, followed by accounting and human resources, as these areas often require specialized tools and compliance knowledge. Ultimately, the goal is to optimize resources. By letting experts handle secondary tasks, companies can pour their energy into what they do best. Understanding how businesses operate helps you make better investment and career decisions. Check back soon for more educational content on money basics.